We begin tonight with a stunning decision forcing a district attorney off a prominent legal case. A judge removed the San Luis Obispo County DA and his office from prosecuting Black Lives Matter activist Tianna Arata. News Channel reporter Dave Alley was in court when it happened and joins us live. Dave?
And Beth, this case has certainly been high profile ever since a demonstration that was organized by Tianna Arata back in July wound up on Highway 101, and charges were later brought against her. Ever since then, there have been countless rallies right here demanding that DA Dan Dow be removed from the case. And this morning, Arata and her supporters, they got their wish.
The motion to disqualify the San Luis Obispo District Attorney's Office is granted.
A jaw-dropping decision made by Judge Matt Guerrero, removing DA Dan Dow and his office from prosecuting Tianna Arata.
This never happens. Defense attorneys never get a DA disqualified from a case. This is extraordinary.
Guerrero ruled Dow showed a conflict of interest in the case, citing personal statements he's made, and most significantly, language used in a fundraising email his re-election campaign sent September 4th, within 48 hours of charging Arata. In part, it labeled Black Lives Matter a crazy protest activity, wacky defund the police movement, and anarchist groups. Guerrero calling the wording inflammatory and an attempt to sway potential jurors, making it unlikely Arata and her fellow co-defendants would receive fair treatment.
This is the most significant ruling regarding racism and prosecuting Black Lives Matter movement in the country.
The case now moves to the state attorney general's office, making it possible any or all of the charges against the defendants could be dropped.
If they look at this with an objective eye, they'll dismiss these cases, or they'll substantially change what's been charged.
In a statement, Dow expresses deep respect for the judicial process and the judges who make difficult decisions, but strongly disagrees with Guerrero, saying, quote, "There is absolutely no conflict in this case. To the contrary, while I have been personally attacked on many occasions since the arrests in these cases, I have continued to conduct my duty in a manner that is above reproach without bending to popular opinion and public pressure," end quote. Now, Dow had much more to say. We have his entire statement on our mobile app, also on our website. Just click on this story to read it in full. This case certainly not over. In fact, another hearing is set for next Tuesday. Reporting live in San Luis Obispo, I'm News Channel reporter Dave Alley.
All right. Thank you, Dave. We reached out to a Central Coast lawyer to find out how often a district attorney's team is removed from cases.
Given the specific facts of this case and the limited statistics, I find it highly unusual the entire district attorney's office would be disqualified due to Mr. Dow's potential personal and political bias.
Santa Maria area attorney Michael Gazell says a judge can only be removed if a prosecutor is proven that a fair trial. Let me rephrase this. Sorry, folks, I'm stumbling for a second here. Gazell says a judge can only remove a prosecutor if it is proven a fair trial could not happen because of a conflict of interest. I want to get this right. He added that disqualifying a district attorney is very rare.